Day 72 of 100 days of junk journal tags. This is my layered dark tag for day 72. It's the Halloween spooky tag, which I don't really do Halloween and spooky, but it is darker colors and it has that pumpkin and raven kind of theme. And that is the one I'm going to show you how to make. This one I also made, just a little different, but with still some dark and golden autumn colors for the time of year. All part of 100 days of junk journal tag. And before we jump in, I'd like to ask you to go by and check out Black Whispercrafts. Bexx is following along with me and doing all these 100 tags. So let's get into how to make this one. We are in the theme tag section, just to remind you, in our 100 days journey. And we're on day 72, which is a Halloween or spooky tag. And I don't really lean into that too much, but I am going to show you maybe a little bit different take with a pumpkin and some other, embellishments that could accent and maybe a little bit darker color pattern. And so I've got a black piece here for my tag base. I'm going to put on a piece of this peach fabric that was sent from my friend Lena at Amore Fabrics, and I'm just going to put that on here, and hopefully that will blend in okay. Let's see if we can get these lines out of here. Maybe we want it a little scrunchy. What do you think? We could do it a little scrunchy up. It doesn't have to be flat. So let's do that. Let's make it a little wrinkly. All right. And then I'm going to put on a piece of black burlap. Yes, I did pause. I am not feeling very well today, so sorry about that. Okay, so we're going to put that in the middle. Then we're going to take a couple of pieces of green leaves. They're kind of different looking, and I want to put them behind this leaf. This is from Dollar Tree, and we're just going to glue these leaves behind there so that they bring out another layer here. I toned down my leaf from Dollar Tree. So I've had these in my stash, so you could probably get them next time fall rolls around, Halloween. And we're going to put it right here in the center. So you can see the little leaves behind there. But they're not the focal point, right? This little cute jack-o'-lantern is. And this, I thought was a sticker, but maybe not. So we're going to glue that down on top here. And I did use some black ink on that. Now I'm going to take some of these little birds that I die cut out of black, and I'll put some solar paste on them. All right, we're going to take our little black die cut bird, and I'm just going to put a little bit of this gold solar paste on it. Not a lot, just a little, and glue that down. And you would argue this is not very scary, and no, I just don't do scary. I don't even watch scary movies, so anyway, it's just not my thing, not my cup of tea. But you can definitely add the embellishments that you like for your tags and your themes. So I'm going to put this one here on here, and I think I might put one more. I have this gold one I did. I don't really want the gold though, so we'll do just a little bit on here, just to outline a little bit, just to make it stand out. I don't really want it to be gold. A gold bird, it's a black bird, right? Okay, so let's put it, I was going to put it down here, but I think, yeah, should I? think I might put it right there. And then I had some leaves. Maybe I'll just put a couple on the end. I was debating about running them at the bottom, but since I crinkled up the fabric, which I really like, don't want to do that. And I also feel like I need something up here. Anyway, it's just a layered tag, and it's just kind of a fun one. I mean, it could be anything you want it to be. So I'm going to take some black ribbon and put in my hole there. Day 72's tag. Golden hour solar paste added. And it is kind of a layered dark tag for day 72. I also did this one. Just a little bit different take on it, but still with the dark colors and still the fall time. So I hope you like these. If you like something spookier, go for it. That's just not my cup of tea. So thanks so much for watching and have a great day. Tomorrow's tag is a birthday celebration tag, so that'll be fun.